That was a good one.
Hey you guys, it's Kiana and
Nisha.
that's how you say your name?
And we're making a mukbang today of some Fuel City tacos. I have beef and she have chicken. We have cilantro and grilled onions. Yeah, they've got some grilled onions. And they have some green sauce and red sauce. I'm not really for sure what's all in it. And limes. You don't know what you have?
You said I got chicken.
Okay.
I got chicken tacos with onions and cilantro, limes, and sauce.
Oh yeah, we have some fries and some strawberry pies.
We have some fries from McDonald's and some strawberry pies. And I have a tahini treat.
Me too, and some crushed punch. Crushed peach, my bad. Yeah, good. Great fresh and okay.
Excuse me.
Goody, goody.
Goody, goody.
This is super. The sweet joy.
Fries are cold.
You think? How
I
many
don't warm up. Okay, never mind. In my damn.
I gonna eat it. Heat him up then.
You gonna heat them up?
You heat him up.
I heat up the other food. Take yours and take the pies as well and heat them up.
Oh my god, I'm about to suck somebody's leg.
Yeah, because they're not hot no more. How you know which is which?
It doesn't matter. I have them up.
No, I got the most, nigga.
How about you get your own stuff?
Well, how about not?
All the food up if I was getting them, boy.
Nah, nigga. I be upset.
Huh? You said you'll be upset?
Mm-hmm.
Why? You didn't eat none of that, nigga?
No. Okay. I was finna ask where my fries at. I'm dead. I was literally finna ask that. Jeez, Louise. Huh? Are you gonna get them out?
I thought you were gonna get them
Oh
out.
my gosh. Come on now, they're gonna be too nasty.
Hey, please. Which one has the black top?
Thanks.
What's wrong with you?
It's hot.
Okay, Peter. Peter Griffin.
I think that's enough too.
Huh?
I think that's enough too.
It was just on 30 seconds. Oh, Lord. Why are you already eating though?
Cause the video going.
Yeah.
So you guys, we just came back from a gay club.
Funny. Very funny. It's only been 8 minutes.
What's it called? Martin's?
Yeah. Okay. After coming from the club, sis.
Did you like it?
Like what? The club?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it was good.
Mm-hmm.
Did you like it?
I like the entertainment.
As far as the people or the actual entertainers that was on the stage?
Drags. I didn't know they had that.
So you never seen a drag before?
I'm talking about, I didn't think that club was gonna have drag shows.
Mostly, all the majority of the gay clubs that you go to, either white, Mexican, black, they always gonna have a drag show.
Yeah.
Ah.
On my foot.
Foot too.
Fell asleep.
These fries are really still.
So you still gonna cook the Alfredo?
Yeah. I'm dead. I'm about to do that to yell in my ear. We're getting too close, nigga. It's about that Marty's.
So,
So, how you feel about the whole feud?
what feud? What feud?
What feud that everybody been talking about?
Oh, that was a good one. Excuse me. That was a good one. Well, you need to post on your page.
Yeah, you need Jesus.
Jesus. Crazy.
You don't feel like looking.
Everybody's entitled to their own opinion. Like, who is anybody to tell somebody how they feel? If she felt like that, she felt like that.
No, get the nigga and put it in barbecue sauce. Huh?
No barbecue sauce.
God, that was funny.
Have you ever just had
What?
put ketchup, mayo, salt, and pepper on your McDonald's fries? It's so good.
I just do it like on homemade fries. So, well, first, yeah.
It's good on their fries.
They sell mayo, like by the packages. I did not know. I did not know.
What was going on?
Y'all about to chuck. The McDonald's have different hours. Even on the actual door, it says 24 hours. We went to one Walmart and they said they were closed. So we got replaced the mobile order. And then we went to another one, it was closed too. How many did we go to?
Maybe like 4. 3, 4.
And then the last one, we actually was able to actually get the food, but we still couldn't order on the online. We couldn't continue our order. Oh, some BS. And we passed it when we was on my way home. That McDonald's.
Oh, shit. Excuse me.
Yeah, you're not gonna even eat all those 8 sausages. I don't understand.
You eat them.
I said, I know you not.
No, you not.
I'm probably you really like hot stuff now because you act like your parents do. Oh yeah, I'm surprised too that they didn't charge for the barbecue sauce. They always give it free whenever you go to McDonald's. I thought that people be like making jokes that you gotta pay for the side.
You do. They give you some. Excuse me. Says the pig.
I'm trying to be
No, they give it to you with your food, but then they be like, you only get a certain amount, and then you have to start paying.
You only got 2 more.
I told you I was hungry, right?
You haven't ate all that.
I've been up since 6 o'clock that morning. Getting ready for work.
Yeah. Can't eat all day. Nothing.
My tongue burning.
Hell. What you eat? You can't hang?
Ooh. That was nasty.
Coming from a nasty effort. All right. We got to have a whole heart attack over here. This is a joke, prank. So what is the highest thing you think you can try, or you just pansy in that?
Not that damn green sauce. I mean, that red sauce. Eat the red sauce, nigga.
Okay, I'm good. You do it.
Nah.
You don't want your hot sauce.
Hell no. I ain't forgot what happened last time.
I remember like it was yesterday.
My tongue was on fire. Because of this damn red sauce right there. Oh my God, like, it was burned. I thought my tongue fell off. And then my lips was numb. And I was like, oh Lord, I'm dying. And this thing wasn't doing nothing but laughing the whole time.
Man, you always say you like hot stuff in your birthday life. So I thought you didn't handle. I thought you were just playing. You always say you can handle hot stuff, nigga.
That was too hot.
Let's play a little game.
Mm-mm. What I get in return?
The blood of Christ.
Have fun.
No, it.
Have fun.
Why not these cups they be serving?
Ain't that the communion?
Yeah, that's why I said the blood of Christ. That's why I said the blood of Christ.
I'm dead.
What the hell? Can't go back to my pussy.
Okay.
So good. I'm gonna play that for like 4. Your eyelashes flew off.
Fuck you. Asshole.
Taste it. And that's so hot. Not hot.
There you go.
No, eat.
That's enough?
No, I dipped mine in there.
Oh, well. Good luck with that. Somebody gonna be shitty, make shit tonight.
Who you?
Not you. I dipped it.
Nah. Nah, don't start it. Don't even start. That's so weird. What the heck? Oh, yeah. Might be another video. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
That wasn't that hot, right?
I think my taste buds just gone from the weed.
Huh?
My taste bud?
Wait. What's wrong with you?
Taste buds just gone.
For what?
Smoking.
For what?
Smoking.
I didn't know you did that.
No, okay.
Once you have the body of Christ in your head, you can't say that type of shit. So good.
Excuse me.
What? Wow, you was hiding up on the ketchup the whole time.
No. You want to keep the shot glasses?
Weird. Calories. It's on 310 calories.
Is that bad?
Some people.
You made one so far?
I had like 3 that I ate.
How many did you get?
5. What?
So like 2.
I guess. They had extra one, I think.
Aren't you left?
How many you eat?
Like 4.
What? What time do we come in there? This has been sitting out since 11:38.
Huh?
That stuff was sitting out since 11:38.
That's 4 hours. Ooh.
Oh my, that felt so good. I needed that. But how many times have you been to the gay club?
Just my first time.
Yeah, right. How many times have you performed? What? What? Yeah, what?
You right.
I was just playing, but how many, yeah, since you said that many times, did you enjoy it or what?
It was entertaining.
Yeah, very. Would you go again?
Sure.
Do some follow me. I'm gonna put my stuff up. Cause MF retired. It's caved in.
It's burnt. It's old. Wow.
You wanna take it back some more? You wanna taste it?
I got my own right there.
Yeah! You have to take the other three back. It's too burnt.
I'm hot. Oh, I'm pretty good. It was good.
Hey.
Oh, good.
What she said?
Do I gotta hang things over here?
A do-rag?
Got like a bandana.
I don't think so. Get another one. What, like a satin one or what? A cloth one? I'll give you a satin one. Why?
What a damn satin one. You want that shit.
That's what some women and people wear on their hair when they don't want to get messed up.
Does this one look better to you?
Yeah.
Okay, here.
I don't want it.
You burped on my shit.
I know, that's why I was trying to put
Eat it.
I don't
Take
want
a bite, anime.
I don't want it. I don't want no cake. Are you done?
Oh, that was funny. Oh. What?
What?
Excuse me.
I have an insert for that, but I put it on there. It was a big burp when she did that. Listen,
What?
blew away everybody. You remember I told you I finally found the episode when Big Shirley burped? It was a big ass burp. And the sad thing about it, they don't show on Wikipedia or nowhere on the internet. They don't show who played her. Nobody knows. This is crispy, 100%. Are you done? Very good.
You're so good.
What's wrong with you, man?
Let me not do that before they try to sue me for that shit.
Maybe you should just start. Maybe you should think of another YouTube name and just start seeing it like a catchphrase that they be doing on TV shows and movies.
It was so good.
Set it off. That's what they did in the extended version.
What?
In the extended version of Set It Off.
What they do?
That was on the corner and it was like, set it off, and they listened to the camera. That was the most fucking version I've ever seen. It made me hate Set It Off.
Just two high lesbians. That's gonna be our YouTube channel name.
Get out of here, kid.
That's gonna be our YouTube channel. Yeah, two high lesbians.
High of life.
Two high lesbians. You don't like that name?
Yeah, sure. High off life in Jesus Christ.
Pussy ass nigga don't want to say what you high off of. You got motherfuckers that smoke while on camera.
Where?
I gotta find it. I'm trying to find that video.
In Texas.
Do Facebook show you like the videos that you
Yeah. Did you watch before?
Mm-hmm. But I think I failed who posted it. Shooting at Church's Chicken in Zane in Illinois. Hey, it's right there by my great house. Where did daycare my kid go to?
Call it. People need Jesus.
Excuse me. Shooting at Big T.
It's gonna be a hell of a summer.
People scared to walk out their damn house. So much shooting going around in Dallas. It's crazy.
For real. That's how it is. Look how she looks. How she looks.
I can't.
I'm gonna watch that movie tonight. Or this morning.
Eat the cake.
Where's the video?
I'm trying to find it. Said she gotta be a Libra or a Leo. Something a Libra would do. Libra do.
What's she doing?
Throwing a brick at the car window. Definitely something you would do.
Name doesn't ring a bell.
I bet you know. No, whatever the fuck she was doing, then she started throwing it back.
Yeah.
Because most people they said I didn't care about those other moves, but Gracie started throwing that ass at the end. Dead.
Me every day at work.
I was trying to find that video.
That's you. That reminds me a lot of you. Tommy.
That ain't me, nigga. You think I throw them in trash?
You said you bipolar? Should've known. That's all for tonight. I'm still, well, I think I can eat a bite more. I'm sleepy, really, now. So, I guess we'll end this video now. Do you have any ending words, Kiana?
Subscribe, like, and comment. Make sure you guys subscribe to Two High Lesbians.
What is it?
It's gonna be our YouTube name. You said you agreed to it.
So this was some kind of spam mail or something?
What?
Or is it some stuff that porno will be made in Europe or something? Sounded like that.
Make sure you guys subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell.
Yeah, it's moments like this.
Bye, guys.
Yeah, bye. Have a great weekend, guys. Yeah, just to get. How you doing,
Damn, it's 5 o'clock.
Time to go, Mr. Joe. Get your ass up. What?
Hey, Miss Goddamn. This goddamn devil.
Ain't nothing about the devil. 39 minutes.